Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel, and this is the third video of the video series Python from Zero to Hero. And in this video what we are going to cover are the conditional statements. Alright, so basically what are conditional statements? As a whole, conditional statements in programming language are referred to as those statements which can be used to control the flow of programs somehow. Okay, it is written down here. So basically these are two types of conditional statements in Python that we can use. One conditional statement can be called as if else. All right, it can be referred to as if else statement, and the other are loops. Okay, if else statements and loops. So these two types of conditional statements control the flow of program, all right, according to our needs. But in this video what we're going to cover are the first type, okay, if else statements. Okay, so how do these if else statement works? For example, we have a name variable, and in this variable we have stored John. All right, John is a string, and we want to say our computer if name equal to John, then say print welcome John. Okay, so it will say welcome John. All right, so now we will change the condition. Okay, this over here, this line over here, this line is our condition. Okay, so now we're going to change the condition. And what have I done? Yeah, so yeah, we're going to say our computer, and if the name is equal to Mike, then say welcome Mike, else do nothing. Okay, else do nothing. So it has done nothing. Why? Because the name variable, this variable over here, contains the string John. Okay, and in our condition we have asked our computer if the name variable contains the string Mike, then print this statement. All right, then execute anything that is inside it, and else do nothing. Okay, so what if we want to tell our computer that we have two conditions? If the name is equal to this, else do something else. Okay, instead of doing nothing, do something. All right, like anything. So for that we will use else, and we will say else print invalid user. Okay, so I guess this will execute. Yeah, this will execute invalid user. So it is saying if the name is equal to Mike, which is not true in our case because the name is equal to John, it will print invalid user. Okay, so these are simple if else conditions. And one more thing I would like to show you guys over here is else if. Okay, else if can be used to a lot of conditions. Okay, when we don't know the number of conditions, we can simply write else if. Okay, and these are the simplest things in the world. And how do we use else if? In Python we write else if. Okay, else if is else if. Let's digest C# programmers. And yeah, this is a cool term, and we want to say print if and we will say else if name equal to John. All right, we will say welcome John. Okay, this is this simple. Okay, so now what we are telling our computer to do, if we are asking our computer if the variable name contains the string Mike, say welcome Mike. And if it is not the case, then also check if the variable name contains the string John. Okay, then say welcome John. And if both of the above conditions are false, then simply write invalid user. Okay, so yeah, so let's see another case so we have a clear picture of the conditional statements in our mind, essentially the first type if else statements. Okay, so now we are going to use our input method. Okay, we're going to say age. Okay, age, and we're going to say int input. No, input. Python is case sensitive. All right, input, let's say please enter your age. Okay, so let's say we are programming this for a ride that allows 18 plus kids to ride in, else they cannot ride. All right, let's say we are designing this for a roller coaster automation. So yeah, we will write if age variable contain is greater than or maybe equal to 18, then print out you can ride the roller coaster. I hope the spellings are right, and if these are not, then please spare my life, guys. Okay, so print out, and if this is not the case, if our children or the kid is younger than 18, then we will say sorry, you are no sorry, you cannot ride roller coaster. Okay, so yeah, let's see how this works. Please enter your age. Let's say 15. Okay, oh, you cannot ride roller coaster. This is nice, and let's try it again. Okay, let's try the other condition. Always try all of the conditions in order to make your program bug free or anything. Let's try 18 because we have tried if our age is greater than or equal to and equal to 18. Essentially, you can ride the roller coaster. Yeah, I can ride the roller coaster. This is interesting. So these are the if else conditions. Okay, so let's make a small program of vowels. Okay, to really get to the power of if else conditions. Okay, so let's write it down. Yeah, we want to check the vowels. Okay, so what we will do is let's say alphabet equals input, and remember guys, the default type of input will always be strings. So yeah, let's write it down. Enter any alphabet. Okay, dot lower. So what is this lower? Let's check it out by pressing shift plus tab. All right, let's check it out. Oh, why isn't it working? Okay, dot lower. Let's see. Yeah, it is working, but it isn't showing us. But let me tell you guys, what lower does is if it turns anything, okay, anything we enter as a string into the lowercase letters. Okay, so this will make the job easy for us, and our program will be more robust as it will be able to take in more cases. So let's move forward. Okay, input any alphabet, enter any alphabet, dot dot space. Okay, so now what we will check, if alphabet equals a, as we have turned the input into lower. Okay, remember the input has been turned into lower, so we don't have to worry about the uppercase vowels. We will just write a, because if the user enters any uppercase vowel, it will be automatically turned into a lowercase. So let's print it down. Okay, this is a vowel, I guess vowel, no, vowel. So yeah, I hope the spellings are right again. Alif alphabet equals a e, and what I'm going to do essentially is copy this statement over here and write it down for every alif, and after this we will see another way of, you know, uh, of solving the same problem. Okay, alphabet, what has he done? Alphabet, wow, amazing computer. A E I, okay, no, yeah, if alphabet equal to A, E, I, O, and alphabet equals to U. Okay, yeah, so these are all the alphabets, and if that's not the case, you simply write print this is a consonant. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out. Let's check it out by writing any alphabet in an uppercase letter. Let's say Q. This is a vowel. Yo, this is a vowel. This is interesting. So what the program has done is, essentially, let me show you guys first. Print alphabet. It has turned the uppercase letter into lowercase. Okay, before storing it. Okay, before storing it into this variable named alphabet. So this is pretty interesting. So this is one way of doing this, solving this problem. Another way can be, we can say, we can cut off all of these, and what we can use is our OR statement. Remember our OR statement? We haven't covered our OR statements. Okay, so we will be covering a lot as we go through, as I've told you. So this is another thing, OR. Okay, if this or this or this, okay, this is simply an OR statement. So yeah, what we will do is, if alphabet equal to A, or alphabet equal to E, or alphabet equal to I, or A, E, I, O, or U. Okay, U. Okay, this will do the same job as we have done previous, but it covers all of this in a single line statement. Okay, let's just execute this one. Let's see, I, this is a vowel, go smooth. Okay, so this is it for this video, and the part 2 of this, the conditional statement loops, will be covered into the next video. Okay, so don't go anywhere, stick with me, and we're going to cover a lot. Okay, we're going to learn a lot, guys. So yeah, take care, and if you like this video, hit that thumbs up icon, and also press that bell icon, and enable all notifications to never miss an update. Okay, bye bye.